Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Mango. Mango. It is very difficult to meet people whose tongue does not water just by hearing the name of mango. Just as raw mangoes are fun to cook, so is the sweet taste of ripe mangoes. But the honey fruit is unique not only in taste but also in quantity. Along with raw ripe mangoes, the leaves of this tree also have several properties. Let's find out. Mangoes contain antioxidants that help prevent cancer. Mangoes also help prevent breast, leukemia, colon, and prostate cancers. It is also rich in enzymes. Many say that eating mango increases weight. It may increase a little, but to gain weight you need to eat more mangoes. Interestingly, eating mangoes reduces cholesterol despite weight gain. Mangoes are high in vitamin C, as well as fiber and fruit pulp that help lower serum cholesterol levels, especially the bad cholesterol in the blood such as low-density lipoprotein. Also, this delicious fruit is very beneficial for skin care. Mangoes help keep the skin beautiful both from the inside and outside. Mango helps to keep the follicles of the skin clean, thereby getting rid of acne problems. Mangoes are also very beneficial for the eyes. Did you know that 1 cup of mango can provide nearly 25% of your daily vitamin A needs? Vitamin A is very beneficial for eyes. It helps in improving eyesight and prevents night blindness. Along with this result, tartaric acid, malic acid, and citric acid are found, which helps to retain alkalinity in the body to a large extent. Interestingly, mango leaves tend to increase blood sugar levels in diabetic patients, but mango leaves can help lower blood sugar levels. For this, take some mango leaves and boil them in water and keep them overnight. Get up the next morning and drink this water. Vyasa only helps to maintain blood sugar levels. Many people have this idea that papaya is the only fruit that is good for digestion. But no, like papaya, mangoes also contain essential enzymes that help break down protein molecules in the body, which helps improve digestion. Mangoes are also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. There are also about 25 different types of carotenoids that will keep your immune system healthy and strong. Our favorite fruit mango is not only delicious in taste but also beneficial for health. All types of mangoes, raw or ripe, will give you taste as well as health assurance. But its taste should be tasted with understanding. Otherwise there will be more chances of harm than good.